Alright, I want to show y'all how to easily make this 1, 2, 3 step. This literally took 5 minutes. I was literally had a yogurt bowl. 5 minutes this took. I'm showing y'all step by step. Let's take all the BS out. We are at 168 now, but I plan on this going all the way down. You see my cell? Anyways, all y'all care about is profit. I make it super simple, so you can, it's a 1, 2, 3 step, simple. Alright, came to the 4 hour, looked at my chart. What is the main thing going on? We see cells. Okay, simple. This is where this structure is over here, the previous structure. So I'm gonna draw a line right here because we went up, down, higher, high, higher, low, higher, higher. Boom, broke the structure. By mean structure, it broke this low, the previous low. Since it broke it, that means we're coming all the way down. Since we broke this initial where the trend started taking off this way, that's when I knew we're going into sales. Okay, boom, got that out the way. I'm gonna put this right here. I mean, I don't need all this because I'm already gonna be taking sales. So all I'm looking for is a spot where I see resistance right here. So I'm gonna draw a line. This is resistance right here. We come all the way up here. We can't go past it. We come down. Come all the way up here. We can't go past it. This little line up here, can't go past it. Come down. So I'm gonna draw a line that goes across all the way over here, which is where this little box comes from. And obviously we see the candles were sitting down on top of it right here. So this is a very important area. That's why I chose to do sales right here. And I'm just waiting for it to play out. I'm gonna put some clips in here before that, before I did this was all the way up to 700 or it was like 600 or 700. But yeah, now that we're further in it, price went down, but it's going back up slowly. I'm staying in this trade for a little while, but I mean, this is a simple trade. I mean, this took 5 minutes. Anybody with a 9-to-5 job, anybody with a 9-to-5 job can do this. Anybody. This took 5 minutes. Anybody with a 9-to-5 job can do this. Save your money, quit your job, simple. Don't buy no course. Don't just stop. Look, I'm simple. I showed you this. There's nothing else I can do. Look at this. This is a trend going down. This is anybody that's in kindergarten can understand this. Are we going up or down? Everybody, class, down. Okay, since we're going down, where is a good spot that I can say, I want to choose a spot where I want to do sales? Why would you do sales way down here? Why? That doesn't make sense. You don't sell at your lowest of lows. I'm gonna wait for the market to do a pullback to where it can come up here, and I'm gonna wait for a spot to where it's like, I think it's gonna stop coming all the way up here. I'm just breaking it down in small terms. I'm not gonna wait. So I'm gonna draw this line right here because I feel like at some point it's gonna come here. It came right here at this point right here. I missed it. It came right here at this point right here. Missed it. If it comes right here again, what do y'all think is gonna do? What do you think it's gonna do? It's gonna come straight down just like how I did it. Simple. We are still in profit. And that's it. I don't need some crazy long video for that. Like, that's it. I can go in more details and more depth. What I do, I just do that every day. And you know how people they're in New York session, and yeah, that's at 9:30 a.m. But if I'm talking to people that work a 9-to-5, that obviously means they're at work during New York session. So I'm not talking to people that are Yes, you can make your money in 5 minutes, yes. But New York session, obviously you're at work, so this is Asian session right now. To be honest with you, I really don't even need the time. I don't need the time of the day. I don't. As long as I've been trading, there's not really a specific time of day. Yeah, I can go on with the mumbo jumbo about there's high volume in New York session and there's low volume in this session over here. But New York be taking a lot of people's accounts. That New York session takes a lot of people's accounts because there's a lot of volume in there that we don't have the type of money to be. Those people go into debt, millions of dollars. Banks go into debt, millions of dollars. What do you think they're gonna do with your account? You have a couple thousand in an account. What do you think that it's gonna do to your account? I just follow these 3 steps. I trade with the banks. I don't trade against them at all. I see that the prints that they leave in the market, and I just follow them. They give me the blueprint, I follow it, and I print money. Here, you can see how it's going now. 152. That's how much is in the account right now, 14,000. And I just wait for it to come down. That's pretty much it. I just want to be transparent. I think it's all these courses out here, and it's tiring. Forex is real. You can make a lot of money. It's a $1 trillion industry. Just read your charts. Read your charts. When you get in a good spot to sell, sell. Make your money, get out. You can make a couple thousand for the day, a couple 500. You just saw that we had it at 700. It was $750. If you close that out, that's $750 for the day. I don't even know what else to say. Enjoy y'all's day. Hold on, I gotta see if I gotta spin it around. Is our light on? Those are some good strawberries.
So
that's a nice pick.
So these ones, they're not grown in soil. They're grown in like fluids, like water and stuff.
Oh, you?
Yeah, I googled it because I was like, so what's the difference between this one and the other ones? And yeah, they say it's supposed to be a lot more better for you since it's not grown in soil.
Mm-hmm.
So they're okay. We can try these ones. They're $1 more, so I wasn't tripping about it. And they're the same, pounds of both.
This is really. They're taking a beating on me, and I'm losing.
Do you want strawberries and blackberries?
Hell yeah. I want to get some better lighting.
Did you show them the type of yogurt?
I haven't. I didn't show it.
Because it's a dookie booty.
That's why I did it.
These ones are strawberries. 2 strawberries each together, or do you want 3 strawberries? Because you have a bunch of other fruits. I think 2 strawberries.
That was a good choice of the strawberries.
Alright, they look good too. tastes a lot better.
Find out how to microgrow. You know, we can do that. Like, we can literally have. It can literally be this height right here to grow.
It's sweet.
A straw. That's what I said. Dip it down. Oh, it's not bad. Now looking at it.
That's normally how much
Let
we
me
put.
cut this one even here. Let's see. That's not bad. Okay. You want it? You're not gonna use it for yours?
No.
Oh,
This is good.
that's extra.
I wash my hands. Fuck you.
Dark chocolate clusters. Alright, so we're at 160.
Yeah, I didn't want to get basic for granola this time. I usually get basic. Like the honey roasted granola. Oh, get the sugar.
I think for cars it's supposed to be like my weight. Damn. For 1/3. What is that? Let me get 1/4.
Okay, clean and dirty. Clean
No,
and
it's wet. I mean, it's clean.
No, it's just wet.
Mm.
Please let me.
Yeah, that was mine.
How much butter you want?
Alright, that's not bad.
How much butter you want?
That man. This is clean. These are mine?
Yeah, 2 of them. 2 for you, 2 for me.
Okay.
I want this one.
I saw you mentally.
The blackberries.
Just a bit.
Well, I don't think we'll pour the water here, too. There might be a little water. And do you want half a banana or a banana? There's this other one I wanted to try, but it was $7 and I was like, oh my god, too much. I'm going. Do you want to do it by this?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were going to read the thing.
No, that's not what
Not sure.
grab your camera and put it in the light. It's pretty dark.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. This is gold. I said this is gold. I like this. I like this. I like this. This can really be a snack. Like, it really is good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the granola's good. You can show yours now.
Yummy.
They do look good. These look better than mine. I didn't put that much though.